Students, today we are going to start the chapter logarithm. This chapter is in the class 8 also in advancements and in class 9 also in advancements. Some basic and introduction part of logarithm today we are going to discuss in this video, and after that we'll start solving some logarithmic formula which will be helpful for the solving the other sums of the chapter. Now students, introduction part of logarithm. The invention of logarithm is a remarkable event in the field of mathematics. In this matter, contribution of John Napier who a renowned mathematician of Scotland, is noteworthy, which means he developed the system of logarithm to show the relation of the base of a number with its index. In the year of 1614, John Napier published a book named Mirifici Logarithmorum Canonis Descriptio, which means description of the wonderful rule of logarithm, in order to describe the use of the logarithm. After that, Henry Briggs developed the process of finding logarithm, taking 10 as the base of logarithm. In logarithm, students, normally base is 10. We can use always in the problem solving. The student should note that a to the power n is called the nth power of a. Here a is the base and n is the index. Students, now look definition of logarithm. Suppose a, n and m be three real numbers, then in a to the power n equal to m, where a bigger than 0 and a is not equal to 1, which means value of a should be bigger than 0 and value of a is not equal to 1, which means it starts from 2, 3, anything. The index n is called the logarithm of m to the base a, and it is expressed by one symbol. Now look, what is the symbol actually? Look student, this is a symbol n equal to log base a m. It is read as n is equal to logarithm of m to the base a, m to the base a, or we can say that directly log m base a. Logarithm is written in the short form log. Now this is the basic information about the logarithm. Now I'm going to start some formula solving laws of logarithm, which is very much important and useful for solving the any kind of logarithm problem. So let's start today some formula proofs or laws of logarithm. Student, this is the first formula. Prove that log m into n base a equal to log m base a plus log n base a, where m and n bigger than 0. Obviously it is clear that the value of m and n bigger than 0 means m and n are positive values, not negative values. Okay, now student, look how to solve this one. First formula. One thing I will say before starting the solving the logarithm formulas, that these formulas are useful in class 8 also, even in class 9 also. So as I am solving these formulas, maybe the students of class 8 will be, those that are having advancements will be benefited for solving this one, and the students of class 9 also will be benefited in class 9 advancements. Okay, now let's start how to solve this one. Proof. Now look student, the solution of this one. Now look how to solve it. Let log m base a equal to x. I have taken x, and here log n base a equal to y I have taken here now. So student, according to the definition of logarithm, so this can be written like a to the power x equal to m, and this is also from the definition you can write that a to the power y equal to n. Students, now if I go for the multiplication m into n, if I want to multiply m into n, then a to the power x into a to the power y, and this is itself a formula of the indices. Base same power should be added, so m into n means mn, and there is a to the power x into a to the power y, which base same power should be added, so x plus y. This is the formula of indices. So here, now if I take logarithm on both the side, what will happen if I take logarithm on both sides? Look now student, look here. By taking logarithm, so we can write here that log base a m into n, and there is x plus y. We'll write here that by taking logarithm, we'll write here now by taking logarithm. Now look student, what is the value of x and y here? Value of x is, look, value of x is this one and value of y is this one. So in place of x plus y, we'll put the value of x and y only. So look here now, in the next line, log base a mn. Mn means m into n, which means this is in the product format. M into n is in the product format. Value of x is logarithm x base a plus logarithm y base a. So student, it is, sorry, not x, it is m. It is m and it is n. Sorry, m base a and n base a. So students, it is clear that log m into n base a, which means log m base a plus log n base a. This is the formula, and first one is proved. We can write here now proved. First one over. This is the first formula of the logarithm. M into n means the product formula. Look student, the second formula prove that log m by n base a equal to log m base a minus log n base a. M and n bigger than 0. Obviously it is clear that value of m and n positive. And now let's have a look how to solve this one. Initially we'll start that here, what I did in the last sum, same way. Let log m base a equal to x and log n base a equal to y. We have taken this one. Now by the definition we can say that therefore a to the power x equal to m and a to the power y equal to n. Now look, by the definition a to the power x equal to m and a to the y equal to n. Now after that, if I divide m by n, what will happen? M by n, then here also a to the power x, then a to the power y. So this can be written like m by n equal to a to the power x into a to the power, since it is in the denominator, if it is going into the numerator it becomes minus y. Now by the law of indices again, here m by n equal to a to the power x minus y by the law of indices. After the student will take the logarithm. Now let's have a look the next part. Now student, the next part we'll write here log m by n and base a equal to, and there is x minus y, and we'll write here taking logarithm. Now look student, after that, what is the value of x here? Value of x is, this will remain same, log m by n base a equal to, value of x is log m base a and log n base a is this is the value of y. So student, it is clear that log m by n formula, if you get log m by n, which means log m base a minus log n by n base a. So since there is student log m into n, which means it is the product formula, and it is m by n, which means in the division part here m by n, so it is called the quotient formula. Quotient formula. So this is, so we can write here now proved, which means the second formula is also over. Look student, question number 3, prove that log m to the power n base a equal to p log m base a, where m is bigger than 0 and p belongs to r. M bigger than 0, which means it is clear that the value of m is positive, and p belongs to r. R means the real number. Now what is the meaning of real number? Real number is the contribution of all rational and irrational numbers together. So value of p here belongs to r, which means it may be rational or it may be irrational also. Now let's have a look how to solve this formula number 3. Students, we'll write here solution first, then let log m base a equal to x. Okay, I have taken this one. Now from the definition, so if I write like this, that m equal to a to the power x, and I am taking this one as equation number 1 from the definition of logarithm. Okay, now look after that. Now look, if I multiply both the power with p, so taking, I am writing here now, taking pth power, taking pth power on both side, on the both side, on the both side. So what will happen then? In equation 1, now look what will happen then. M to the power p, and there is a to the power x whole to the power p. So next would be, look here now, m to the power p equal to a to the power xp after multiplying this one xp. Now look after that. Now student, if I take log, so answer would be, look here, if I take logs, then answer would be log base a m to the power p, and this becomes xp only. I am writing here by taking log, by taking logarithm. Now look, this xp can be written like this will be remain same, and this xp can be written p into x, means xp again. So what is the value of x here? Look, value of x is this one, we'll put down here directly. So next would be log m to the power p base a equal to p, and value of x is logarithm m base a, and this is the proof of, we can write here now proved. This is the third formula proved. Now look student, question number 4, the formula is log b base c equal to log b base a by log c base a, where a and b are positive real numbers, and a is not equal to 1, b is not equal to 1, which means it is clear that value of a b not equal to 1, and both these are real number. Real number means it may be rational or irrational also. Now how to solve this one? Look, we'll write here solution now. First solution, then let log base b base c equal to x, and by the definition of logarithm we can write here c to the power x equal to b. Now look after that, look here now from equation number 1, this one. Now look after that, now the second part, which means log b base a equal to log c base a to the power x. Why I will write here now from 1. Now look, log b base a, what is the value of b here? Value of b is c to the power x, so in place of b I have just written here c to the power x. Now in the next step students, we can write here that log b base a equal to x will be here. This is another format of logarithm. There are many formulas of logarithm and many formats are also there. So while practicing logarithm you will very much well known or very much understand the other formulas. So this is log a c base a. Look now student, the next step, log b base a equal to, what is the value of x here? B base c. In place of x I will just put down here log b base c into, we'll write down here that log a c base a. In the last line we'll go for the division here, that log b base a by, this will go on division, since these two are in multiply, it will go on division, log c base a equal to log b base c. This is the answer of our question, and we'll write here now hence proved. We'll write here now hence proved. So this is the question number 4. Students, many formulas are there in logarithm. While solving the chapters, you will get many more formulas, many more laws, terms also. So these are some introduction, basic formulas of the logarithm. Many are there, will be discussed later on while solving the chapters, and you will definitely be user friendly, obviously, with the formulas by practicing hard. And one more thing is that these four formulas you will have to definitely you will have to memorize, and obviously you have to practice.